Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify app not downloading songs. So when you're trying to download songs over on Spotify and it's not working, there's basically only one reason for why this is happening, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So, first of all, before we start, make sure that you have Spotify Premium. If you don't, this will not work, of course, because you will need to have Spotify Premium in order to actually listen to songs offline, and you will also not be able to download songs when you don't have Spotify Premium, so keep that in mind. Alright, so now we have that out of the way, what we can do is open Spotify like this, go to the top left at our profile picture and click on Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down till you find storage. And the main reason why you can't download songs over on Spotify is most likely because you straight up don't have enough storage on your device. So it will right here basically show you the storage you have left over your device. I have 109 gigabytes left. However, it says that if it says basically that you have less than 1 gigabyte left, then this could cause issues with you not being able to download songs. So make sure that you always have at least 1 gigabyte of storage left on your device if you want to download more songs. That's really important. What we can also quickly do is clear the cache just like this. Then click on clear cache and you have basically cleared the cache, free up some space as well, and will fix some issues within the app as well, including if you can download songs. And basically that should already fix your issue. Now let's say that it still did not fix your issue, then I will put some things on the screen you can try as well in order to fix your issue, such as trying to update the app, trying to reinstall the app, restarting your device, trying to make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection, and basically resetting your network settings on your phone. And yeah, those are basically the other 5 ways I have for you in order to fix it, but those are pretty basic. So I basically already assume that you have tried that. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you right now. So if you learned something in this video, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.